All right, this is our 200 watt 1 kilowatt solar generator. We're currently using it to power this shop. Currently the load on it is 72.7 watt, and the voltage is 2 222.8, and the amperage is 0.4 amps. Our wattage is, at the lowest we're getting 59, but the highest so far is 73.8 watt. Currently we are consuming 72.5 watt. So what is the load we have on it? By the way, this is the connection. So we connected it to this changeover. So the changeover is supplying the distribution board. So like I said earlier, this is a shop. Don't mind the tacky connection. It's just a temporary something. So we're kind of testing the product. So we have 72.4 watts. Currently we have about 1, 2, 3. We have 5 bulbs. This one is 5 watts. This one is 10 watts. This one is I think 10 watts. There's another 10 watt outside. Then for the surrounding we have 1 unit of 40 watt bulb. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Yeah. Oh my god. Alright. That one is 40 watts. 40 plus 10 plus 10, that is 60, plus 10, 70 plus 5 should be 75, but we have 72.1. Then if I put on this fan, it will also increase the overall. I'm about to put on the fan. You see, currently we are getting 125 watts from our 200 watt solar generator. So if this is something that can work for you, you just have to calculate your total load. So you can use this as a backup for your home. Instead of using this quantity of bulbs, you can reduce it to 2 units of 5 watt bulb, either 2 units of 5 watt bulb, either 4 units of 5 watt bulb. You can add a TV, you can add a fan. You can use a fan like this, something AC/DC, that will be consuming around the 25 watts or thereabout. You can also use a fan like this. You can use something like this fan. This is what we recommend for people for solar installation. It consumes less energy. I think it consumes 25 watts. It's not stated here. It consumes 25 watts. Yeah, power input 12 volt DC, 25 watts. So that's 12 volts at 2 amps DC current. Plus minus 24. It should be 24, but it's just estimated at 25 watts. So something like this will also be efficient for your system. If you can get 1 or 2 of these and few bulbs, it should last you for at least 10 hours. Then if you're alternating, you can use one of the fan, then maybe a 32 inches TV or something smaller, an LED TV for this system. It should work. So currently we are at 130.7 watts. We have 3 bars. I started using it at 3 bars. I used the other one to do a test for a 27 inches display monitor. So we have 3 bars. With this load, we should get at least 7 to 8 hours of power supply after full charge. So our wattage is still 0.6 amps. 130 watts. 130 watts. This fan is running on this system. That bulb is 10 watts. AKT. This is 5 watts. No, it does not necessarily need to be this product. I can't remember the product of this one. This one is 10 watts. The one outside is 10 watts. There's one outside. That one is 10 watts. Then there's one at the side. This one is a big one. This one is 40 watts. That's totaling of should be 75 watts. So that means this fan is consuming about 55 watts or thereabout. We could say it's consuming 56 watts. So that's that for the system. If you want any other review about the system, you can drop it in the comment section. You see the connection for Darting Thomas and Co. To the changeover. If I put it off, everything goes off. Everything is off. Let me put it on. There will be no surge because the loads are low energy consumption. But it's advisable to use a bigger an AC/DC fan on a system like this. It will save you more energy and give you a longer backup time. Imagine cutting the load of this fan into half. Imagine cutting the load of this fan into half. Assuming this fan is 50 watts, you get something like this 25 watts. That means if this fan was meant to give you 10 hours, with this fan you will get 20 hours. But I'm not saying this fan will give you 10 hours. So if you want any other review on any product or this product, currently we are reviewing it and recommending it for people. So your energy goals is not the same with that of your neighbor. So you should determine what you are powering is what will determine the product that will be recommended for you. The fact that you have someone using this does not mean it will work for you. It's not about sales, it's about providing value for people.